The word 建てる. It's used when talking about houses, buildings, schools, or shops. You'll hear it in planning a new home or at construction sites. 建てる. 家やビル、学校やお店の話でよく使うよ。新しい住まいの計画や工事の場面で出てくる。It is a transitive ichidan verb. 建てる means to make structures by assembling parts, like putting up a house, a building, or a bridge. 家やビルを作ること。柱や壁を組み上げて形を作るイメージだよ。The only kanji means build or construct. You see it in words like 建物 and 建設. It often appears with places and public projects. When you spot it, think of making structures. I'm building a house next year. 私は来年家を建てる。私は来年家を建てる。My father built a small store. 父は小さな店を建てた。父は小さな店を建てた。We're going to build a new school here. ここに新しい学校を建てます。ここに新しい学校を建てます。They want to build a house near the sea. 彼らは海の近くに家を建てたい。彼らは海の近くに家を建てたい。The most common synonym of the word is 建設する. It overlaps when talking about construction projects. But 建設する sounds more formal and technical, while 建てる is everyday and direct. The most common antonym of the word is 壊す. It means to break or demolish, the opposite action of 建てる.